Do you want to see old Facebook stories that you've made before? This can be super helpful when you are wanting to see who voted on a poll. Maybe you didn't get back to them in time, or just for inspiration for your content. I'm going to show you that today, right now. Let's jump into it. The Parisi Pack. Okay, we're going to open up Facebook. And then once Facebook opens, you are going to want to get to the menu tab. So we're going to touch menu in the bottom right-hand corner. Here on menu, you are going to hit your name at the top. And then at the top right-hand corner, you can see the 3 dots that are next to your name. We're going to hit that. And then we're going to hit activity log. And then we are going to hit archive. Here we can see story archive. And then here you can see all the past stories that I've created. Now, this can be super helpful. Like I said, if I want to click on a story and see who voted on a poll, I can still see the names of the person, okay? I can also get ideas or see what past stories performed really, really well. Another helpful tool for this is what is called Stories Prospector, which is a tool that allows you to auto-reply to your Facebook story polls. For more help with stories, go to my free private Facebook group called Create Stories That Sell. I'd love to see you in there and help you build a profitable business on social media. Before you pop off my channel, check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.